Project in Sociology 1, submitted by Raiden Ace Palomo and Kestvan Pantinople, submitted to Mrs. Maglaki. Social change. What is social change? Okay. Social change refers to the variation or modification in the pattern of social organizations of subgroups with a society itself. This is manifested in the rise and fall of groups and communities or institutional structures and function, or changes in the statuses and roles of the member in the family, work setting, church, school, government, leisure, and other subsystems of the social organization. Characteristic of social change. It happens everywhere, although the rate of change varies from place to place. Some society change faster than others. Number 2. Social change is sometimes intentional but often unplanned. Number 3. Social change is often generates controversy. Number 4. Social changes are more important than fads and fashions which only have a passing significance. Innovations like televisions stay for generations. Factors in social change. Multiple factors underlie the broad and complex nature of social change. Like the phenomenon in the physical science, social change is the social science display rate, direction, form, type, cause, order, stimulants, and varies in its emergence, develop, and decline. The rate of social change. Rate is also referred to as speed of pace when the balance between opposing forces tilts toward change, preventing one's the stability of society predominates. On the other hand, when the balance toward the change promoting forces, a rate of change occurs.
Social change may or may not be repeated over definite periods of time. The characteristics of social change are indicated by the term form. Kingsley David identified two forms of social change as number 1, the cyclical, in which whole cultures or their parts are repeated over a considerable period of time. Number 2, the linear, in which cultures or their specific aspects change in one direction and never reoccur. In reality, no culture is precisely cyclical or linear. What is possible to determine whether the changes in the overall culture or its element more closely approximate the linear or the cyclical form. Changes viewed over relatively shorter periods of time tend to be linear. These are referred to as trends. Changes viewed through several generations tend to be cyclical. These are called cycles. Changes in population size bring about changes in sex ratio, courtship, and organization. Periods of continuing population growth can enhance delayed marriage or limited childbearing. Scarce economic resources and keen competition in the employment arena may render marriage impractical, with individuals shrinking from family responsibility and encourage single blessedness. Social change in the Philippines. Philippine society is in flux of change. A major consequence of change in the Philippines, which is also taking place in other parts of the contemporary world, is modernization. Thank you for listening to our report. This is yours truly, Kesvan Pantinople and Raiden Ace Palomo. Thank you. God bless you all and have a good day.